Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your POCO F8 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and check the cable and the charger for any damage or compatibility. So this is something that you need to do at the first. Now, what you guys can do after that is clean the charging port with a non-metallic tool. So if you have a soft brush somewhere, make sure to use it and not use anything metallic because you can only damage the port even more. And the next step is pretty simple. You need to enable the fast charging in the settings. So how to do that? Go over to settings. Now swipe down until you see the battery. And in the battery, go to the charging options. Now, go from wired charging mode from standard, go to top speed. Now this is our fast charging, we have enabled it, and this is how you guys can do that. Now if there are still some issues, you can try another fast charger or try another outlet, and as a last resort, what you guys can do is update your software to fix any charging glitches. So this is a pretty common thing and it happens a lot. Basically, if you're not on the latest version like me, then you can have a lot of glitches, including fast charging not working properly. So make sure to update, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.